The National Weather Service in Norman, Oklahoma has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm located 4 miles southwest of Stanley Draper Lake, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards in the warning include quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Norman, Stella, Noble, McLeod, Pink, Etowah, Dale, Lake Thunderbird, Stanley Draper Lake, Tinker Air Force Base, and Bethel Acres. Precautionary preparedness actions. Move inside a sturdy building until the storm has passed.